Okay, repairs are starting. New Year's Day 2021. And I need to get into this cabinet down here, or door, and try to fix the depth finder. I'm hoping it is deteriorated wiring that I'm gonna snip off, redo, and snap. They're working? We'll find out. Okay, this is what we're looking at here. Let's see if you can see that. It is completely corroded. I'm pretty sure that works for the transducer and all of this, but if I resplice all this, I'm hoping that it'll just work again. Okay, so I just started to pull this thing out so I had better access to it, and all of these wires are breaking off. Luckily, I still have the other ones, so I need to take a picture really quick to make sure I know where they go.
Stones we carry, clothes we lived in, all the tales we will tell our children.
Okay, time for a test, I think. If it was that simple, I will be so happy. But as I've learned in many, many projects, rebuilding probably 6 cars, or trucks, that nothing's ever that simple. But it is 2021 and things can change. Come on, baby. Just break it, or did I not flip on a correct switch? This won't turn on. Okay, the power switch wasn't fully plugged in, so let's see. Depth, nothing.
Hearts are wayward, sun is swollen, rest tomorrow, the ways unfolding.
Alright, I just connected these wires here. They were connected to this, which was all in here together. This wasn't connected to anything, so I just cut it out of the system and reconnected this wire back. So I am hoping that this makes it work, but once again, I'm not expecting it to, I'm just hoping that it does. Time, this is wrong. Date, well, that's right. Depth, not working. Speed, not working. Temp, not working. Alright, on to the next thing. Now, if you can't figure it out, you gotta tear it apart. So, here goes.
I'm setting the sun, I'm ready to run, I'm walking a tightrope. I'll give you the fall, spring singing a song, we're taking the high road. We're taking the high road. Finally awakened, we're taking the high road. As long as it takes us, we're taking the high road.
Oops.
I ain't no man from a one-horse town, 'cause I saw the devil and I followed him down. I drank with them liars and I danced with them cheats, but I got some revival from the bottle and the beat. Sing now.
Okay, after a quick trip to West Marine and the auto parts store, I now have some brake parts cleaner to help clean my winches, and I have some new winch parts, the little stoppers and flappers or whatever the hell they're called. Alright, here's the test. Put through. Sweet. Alright, I couldn't move this by my hand before. And now it's butter. So smooth. That is going to make raising the mainsail so much more enjoyable. Okay, it seems like every single one of these winches is completely different. I guess this was a 16, this is a 30, and then I think these other two are 48s. Yeah, they're both 48s, so they're slightly different. This one is just shredded. I don't know what it was eating, but I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's just metal shavings everywhere. So I'm gonna clean this all up and see if I can't figure out where those shavings came from. I don't see a little flapper anywhere, but I still have to take this piece, the top of this off, so maybe the little stoppers are in there with the springs, assuming it has those. Okay, this one's still pretty tight. Not anywhere near the return like the other one. The other one was like instant gratification. I mean, it works. It's still a little tight. I don't get it. Anyone have any advice on the Lumar 30? There's quite a few metal shavings in there. from it rubbing against each other, but I cleaned everything up, greased it up. I don't know. One may not last very long. Alright, on to the next one. Okay, this one doesn't click like all the others. Well, I guess that one didn't click either, but I'm assuming there's some of the broken stoppers in there, or broken springs, or something that's just not making it go. It's a little tight. It's not horrible by any means. Alright, let's get this thing working.
In the morning I wake, another beautiful day. I finally figured the recipe. A bit of giving and taking. Life, it is what you make it. Nothing petty can get to me.
Okay, this one is massive. That's gonna take forever. Look at all of these parts. Oh my god, what have I got myself into? Okay, hopefully it all goes back together only one way.
I wanna sing 1,000 times a day so I could get you higher to the ground. Whatever you need to enjoy the way to be inside the moment of the now. A little bit of slow, a little bit of go, a little bit of high, a little bit low. Live for the moment, live for the time. Live for the moment. Now you get yours and I get mine. I got this one choice in my pocket and I'm reaching for that place. Gonna pull out all my might and shine away. I got this one choice in my pocket and I'm reaching for that place. Gonna pull with all my might and shine away. Live for the moment. Gonna live for the moment.
Okay, day 3, 4? I can't remember, of doing these winches. I think it's day 3 of doing the winches. I'm over it, but I have one last one to do. That one, it's dirty, it's messy. It's 9:14 in the morning, and we're gonna get this done with.